Sarah, listen. Sarah.
Okay.
Really slow movements forward and really slow movements backwards.
Yeah, don't over-exaggerate. Do I just step on it?
Yep. Both feet at the same time. Kind of quick.
Flashlight on him so I get more
Kind of quick.
At
Yeah.
the same time, pop.
Go.
You're
Okay,
gonna
let's
eat
try
it.
eating on one of
This is
those.
gonna be
Can I
awesome.
put it over there where it's not on there?
This is gonna be
Sarah's
awesome.
eating on one of those hoverboard things.
Put your flashlight on it a little bit. Tom.
What?
Put your flashlight on it a little bit so I can see her
On those
better.
hoverboard things.
You're not doing very good. He's tried this before.
Yeah, I know.
He ran. No, he ran.
Oh, he's already doing better than me.
So you lean forward a little bit. I'm telling you, I will wipe out. You don't realize that with like Sawyer doing it.
Yeah, because like you said, you're top heavy.
I'm telling you, I can already tell him.
I bet you it's easier with no shoes on, huh?
Okay. Tom, get by that tree.
By the tree?
Yeah.
Trying to figure it out.
Holy shit.
Brandon, she's running half the tree off.
Hey, we need to go home. I think Mom's cooking, babe.
How do you get on the damn thing?
Hold on to the tree.
No,